I never should have downloaded app. It promised to decode the real sounds of nature, turning ordinary night noises into something understandable. At first, it was fascinating. Crickets were singing about rain, and the wind carried whispers of coming storms. But last night, it captured something else, something chilling. As I lay in bed, the app translated a nearby rustling not as an animal or the breeze, but in a clear, menacing human voice. "Watch him sleep, soon he'll know." I froze, every shadow in my room suddenly alive with terrifying possibilities. Today, my phone keeps glitching, displaying coordinates and a timer counting down to tonight. I'm scared of what will happen when it reaches 0.